Our young people don't always understand the difference between the human and the AI relationship, and those boundaries can be blurred really easily. With this AI use for younger kids in the middle school age range, 13 to 17 and so, these kids are finding they like to talk with AI like a friend. And about 35% of them report that they prefer it many times over talking to a friend because the AI bot is non-judgmental, it's supportive, it's always there and available. That is a dangerous scenario for obvious reasons.
And Jackie and I have put together some different programs and a retreat that you can join us on and open up those lines of communication in the family. There's lots of activities, lots of fun stuff, but there's also activities that work on communication and work on kind of a deep dive of what you think your purpose is and sharing that with others. There's limited Wi-Fi, so that's a big bonus.
Woohoo! No AI bots breaking in on your family sessions. Kids don't have access to that friend, that AI bot friend.